Morning all. Well, I'm not getting ready to go away as much as I'd like to think I was. I've got to go for another pre-op assessment for my hip. I've been waiting so long that the other one has run out. Unfortunately, well, or fortunately, it wouldn't usually worry me. I'd quite, well, look forward to going. It's over Worthing Hospital, which is about 15 miles away. Well, as I say, normally it wouldn't worry me. I'd look forward to the ride, but well, I don't know whether we'll be able to make it. So we're going to leave in plenty of time. I think we're going to allow 4 hours to get there. I might end up getting the train, but we'll see how it goes. I'm going on my touring bike purely so I can put you on there. So I'm just going to put a couple of panniers on the back. I'm taking my waterproofs because I've just looked at the weather forecast and there's rain due, so better take those. Right, I shall go and put these on the bike, and well, we won't be going yet. We got got another hour or so before I have to leave, so plenty of time to faff around. That's good. It's just starting to spit with rain already. We've only just left home. We left earlier than what I said. I've given myself 4 hours to get there now. I think, well, hopefully I'll be alright. I mean, I cycled 20 odd miles the other day, and I was alright. Well, initially I was alright, but yeah, I wasn't after. I think a lot of the trouble is I'm alright cycling. It seems to be when I stop and then get back on is when all my problems begin. But yeah, I think if I have plenty of stops, if I can get there on one go, albeit I'll just have to hang around for a few hours. But my thinking was that I don't seem to be able to cycle too far without being in pain, which I can already feel on my leg, even though it's my hip that's the problem. But the one good thing, when I stop, the pain seems to go. So that's what I was thinking. Maybe I'll just have to do, well, very short stints. I don't think we've even done a mile yet, and there's another 14 or so to go. I don't think this rain will come, famous last words, I don't think it'll come to too much, or at least I hope it won't. Turned rather chilly now. Well, I've got my trainers on today, and I've put my fleece on as well. I've not come far since the last time we spoke, and I'm in quite a bit of pain now, but I'm now worried if I stop it'll be even worse afterwards. I need to put my sunglasses on, although it is still actually spitting with rain a bit. Yep. I think this could definitely be a long ride today. Finally, we're off that busy road. Blimey. Seems to be more traffic every time I come along. Oh, I think we may have messed up big time. I think I must have got confused with Worthing Hospital and Shoreham Hospital. Well, put it this way, we're at Littlehampton, and well, there's still just under 3 hours to go before our appointment. Admittedly, we still got to get to Worthing, but yeah, we seem to have, well, it doesn't matter. As I said, I'd rather get there early, and to be honest, we have just been bootling along. Can't make my mind up whether to take the fleece off or not though. That sun comes out, it's really quite warm. I thought that wind was a bit behind me. It is, it's northwesterly. To be honest, I thought it was going to be a northeasterly today, and we'd have a slow ride over and then be able to have the wind a bit behind us coming back, but obviously not. Of course, coming this way we follow the railway line, so I could always jump on a train at any point if things get really bad, which they're fine all the time. I'm just poodling along, not putting any pressure on my leg, but as soon as I get the slightest resistance, that's when I start feeling the pain. But I am quite enjoying this, to be honest. Long time since, well, probably not that long, last year I suppose, when we came this way before. Or we came back this way definitely when we was in Kent, Crowborough. Yeah. Ouch. But yeah, I'm quite enjoying it, although I don't think I could do this for too many days. I don't think I can handle this going away by me. Oh, it hurts to cycle at 8 miles an hour. Oh. Come on. Oh yeah, of course, a bit further to go than I thought. Seem to have just lost my bearings. But as I say, we're certainly not that far away. But it says road closed, but I'm sure we'll be able to get past. Quite quiet today, well, now we're away from that busy road it is anyway. Although maybe it's quiet along here because the road's closed. Well, we've only got, oh, I don't know, can't be that much further. It's only really along the seafront, which is just up ahead, and well, we've got 2 hours 10 minutes to do that. Well, here's where it's closed. Sure we can get through. Not as I say, we'll go on the path. Alright, go on. Not a good man. It saves them putting up traffic lights, maybe. That's the reason. Quite a clear day today. I can see right way along the coast and see the cliffs at Brighton. Where that undercliff cycle path goes. Literally just got something to eat out my bag and this thing just flew in. You're not getting anything, mate. Those all your mates will be here in a minute. Well, taking my top off. I was just about to put my sandwich down to take my top off. But definitely not now. He's still sitting there in hope. Perhaps he thinks I'm going to give in. Well, I'm not. He's just watched me get something out of my bag and he's come back. Such intelligent animals. Oh, don't come too near me, mate. Don't mind you being there. That beak looks rather sharp. There's nothing here. Right, I'm going to close my bag. You're worrying me, mate. He's still there around the front. Gone now. Right. I think we'll go up the end and sit up there. Near in the town sort of park. See, there he is, he's still there. Try and get you straight again now. Too bad. Right, gone. Nothing here. There we are. Might have a look around, see. As you can tell, it's been raining. Came out of the hospital in the dry and, well, yeah, as we was getting our bike unlocked, it started to rain. So, but I think it's more or less stopped now, hence why I've got you out. Yeah, I've got me wounds, me badges from the hospital. I got another one on the arm where, as usual, they can't seem to get any or be able to get any blood out of me. But I'll give the nurse her due. It only took her 2 goes. As I said to her, I've had plenty more than that. Yeah, well, I think the pre-op went all right. Didn't say it didn't, so yeah. Just gotta wait for a date now to come through. That wind seems to have turned around. I looked while I was waiting in the hospital and it said it was swinging around to the northeast, so that'll help blow us home. Although my blooming leg is hurting already. The only good thing about going at this pace, I won't overheat in the waterproofs. Normally I overheat too much. yeah, at this speed I don't think we will, which is good. Of course, bad timing because the schools are just coming out, so we got all the school traffic to contend with. So I'm going to have to put you away again. It seems to have started raining again. Get over these. Although it does look a little brighter. Not here, it's not. Get over here, I don't want to stop there. Shelter. But I can see blue sky, so I think the rain, well, I think it's stopped. Oh, so much for not getting hot, blimey. We was on the busy road for a while, so we had to go a bit faster. Bloody hell. Yeah, the back of you looks rather wet. Oh, it hurts. Right, know what I forgot to mention. I know I'm in hospital for at least one night. She told me that I think, well, she said it might be more. I think a lot depends on when they do the hip. If they find any, I don't know, germs or whatever, and they need to put me on that course of antibiotics again. Hopefully it'll be just the one night. Did sort of get the feeling, I don't know why, but I sort of got the feeling it might be soon. That might be me just wishful thinking. Right, well, we're just sort of coming into longer. I shall hop and see. Wow. My granddaughter quickly before we go home.